Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this macrame floating shelf. So let's get started. So I have attached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this 10th. 10 cords by the help of lark's head knot like this. You have to make group 5 cords here and 5 cords here, and we have a clear distance in between these. Now start making square knots. By picking up these two, make a square knot like this. 1. This is called half square knot. And then by making another half square knot, you will make a complete square knot. This is one square knot. Now the second one. Then by picking up 2 cords from here, 2 from here, make another square knot like this. And similarly make another square knot by picking these two. So in this way we have 1, 2, 3, 4 square knots. Similarly we will do the same here. Adjust the cords. Now pick this cord and we will make the HH. So we just made these two patterns. Now pick the central two cords from here like this and make a square knot. Now pick 2 cords from here and 2 from here like this and make another square knot. Similarly here. So 1 and 2. Now we will make 3 square knots here. now 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will decrease this pattern again and leave these two, pick these two, Once the spiral knots are completed till 15 inches, now we are going to add this shelf to this macrame piece, and this is from here it is 8 inches in length, and here the width is 6 inches. So we are going to attach it here. Pick the central two cords and pass through these holes. So we need to keep this shelf straight. In order to keep it straight, we have to create more spiral knots to the front rows. So here I will make more spiral knots. Keep this in your mind that we kept the spiral knots rows till 15 inches, but for the front rows we need to keep the shelf straight. So we are going to make more spiral knots. Now you can see, by making 5 more spiral knots, 4 to 5 spiral knots, you will reach the point where this shelf will remain straight. Similarly, we will do it here. As you can see, this shelf is now straight, and now we can trim these ends. We can trim this end and this end, and we can glue it to secure. Okay, because the holes in this rack are quite small, so we cannot pass all these 4 strands. But if the hole is bigger, you can pass the strands, all the 4 strands through it. But right now I can easily pass the only 2 cords, so I am trimming these 2 cords from here. I have made the same pattern by using nylon cord, which is almost 2 mm in size. You can see the difference. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful macrame shelf. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.